Ito ka. Shoot yun. Ang lalakas na. Alam niyo yung mga nangyayari sa atin dito. Sa'yo, di ba? Sa'yo lang, eh. Si Menok ako, hindi ako si Wayan na si Menok, Si Menok. Menok, yeah. Yo. Chilling with my homies, drinking some empty popping, smoking, no one can stop me. Let's see who will have a better life. Talking to them to survive another lonely night. Cause it's right, you don't have to satisfy. You don't need to prove them that you are right. Talking to myself that I need to take a break. I need no help to slice my own cake. Yeah, let's take all of those opportunities. Spread some love, spread some peace. Do this as your motivation. Give you a help to cure your depression. People gets you. You will learn from your mistakes. Iwasan ang problema para mag-iwas sa AIDS. Technique, pag naabot ang inner peace. Show them all of your masterpiece. Your problems everywhere, di nyo ba napapansin? Di ka na pagpapalain if you do a lot of sin. Lihan mo na ang halamang mahiwaga for you to know kung ano ba ang tama at mali. Huwag ka munang magmadali. If you're lying, pahinga muna sandali. Don't you ever think about quitting, cause you lose your battles with the chances of winning. World is big, everybody got a chance. To someone says you do have a lot of fans. Thanks in advance for the awards, cause one day I'll be one of the stars with full bars. Parang signal ng wifi. Talk lang na talk until you get high. Don't grind, masama sa kalusugan. Huwag kang malungkot kasi hindi ka nasusugan. Yo, huwag kayo malungkot ha. Buwinahin na, walang dahilan para maging malungkot. Gago kayo. Bakit kayo nalulungkot? Bawal malungkot dito. Sige, next song.